Alright, so I'm going to show you how to empty out the cassette toilet. It's only urine in it right now. So thank God this one's got this. Ba-bam! Pretty simple, actually. So this is where the actual gray water is stored. This don't have a black water tank. It has a gray water tank. So there may be a gallon of water in the gray water tank. I'm not worried about that. But this is where the cassette toilet is. Now, if you ever know you had to get a hose out and stuff, you gotta get gloves on and all that crap. This is just so much better. And it is full of pee. Alright, so if you look at it, it's pretty freaking, there's nothing to it.
Okay.
Okay, so there's like a handle here. See there's wheels here? And then there's a handle here that comes up, right? I don't ever mess with the handle. But so you ain't gotta worry about the handle. If you want to put gloves on, put gloves on for this. I'm gonna Germex. I have no plans on getting anything on my hands, at all. So now we just take it down. Pretty simple. I know it's kind of gross. This urine is what it is, but that's all you got to do.
Dang, that is full.
Yeah, it's full. Okay. Close that up. Remember, this doesn't have anything on it. This did go inside of that, so I don't want to touch that. Wheels first. See how clean it is in there? Nice. Wheels first. Oh well. Make sure that's clear.
Snaps in place.
You're done. That's all you gotta do. There's a hose in this. I hope I never have to pull it out. That's it.